Hi friends, this is Nageshwar and welcome to my channel ITBird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to install and configure DHCP server in Windows 2016 server. Open Server Manager and please select Add Roles and Features. Select role based on feature based installation. Select server from the server pool and here please select DHCP server. After that click on Next, 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 and please select this option. Restart the destination server automatically if required. Install. After installation succeeded on server, we have to configure DHCP. Close this. Now come to notifications and please select complete DHCP configuration and next. Here please select use the following users credential. Commit. Close this. After that come to tools and open DHCP server. Expand this. Expand your server and expand IPv4 and please select IPv4. Here I want to create new scope. Next, and please type the scope name. Next, and here we have to provide the range of IP address. Next, and if you want to exclude any IP, you can place it here. And next, lease duration specifies how long a client can use an IP address from the scope. Defaultly, it will give 8 days. Next, do you want to configure the DHCP options for the scope now? Yes. And please type your router IP. Next, and here it is showing the domain name and DNS servers. Next, and if you want to install Win servers, you can select these options. Next, and do you want to activate the scope now? Yes. Finish. Now expand the scope. Here please select address pool. Here you will get the range of IP address and IP address excluded from the distribution. And after that come to options. And here it is showing the router DNS servers and DNS domain name. And here we have one more option, reservations. I will come to here later. After this come to client system and here I have assigned static IP. Now please select obtain an IP address automatically. Okay. And after that again click on local area connection and come to details. And here it is showing the DHCP enabled, yes, and it is giving the IP address 101. Now close this. After that come to server and here we have one more option, reservations. please select new reservation, and here it is asking for the reservation name, client, and IP address of client you want to assign, and MAC address. And after that, please select dhcp, add, close this. Now come to client system. Just restart your client system. After restarting, come to CMD and please type ipconfig, and here it is showing the MAC address and IP address that is reserved for the client system. Like this, we can install and configure DHCP server in Windows 2016 server. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.